Hey guys, so I know you guys have all seen the JKU, we take that out a lot. We picked up this 97 XJ last summer. Bob has been doing a ton of work to it, so I thought I'd show you guys a little bit of what we've done so far. So as you can see, the tires are so big that the spare does not necessarily fit properly, so it's currently laying down in the back. In order to pull the trailer, we had to get an 11-inch drop. Fabulous. It's just a little bit taller now. You can see the bumper that Bob welded. He's fabricated this, got a kit, put it together, did a few customizations to it. Turned out really nice. Follows the lines really well. It is solid. Added some additional mounts. I don't know if you guys can see. Let's see if you can. He's got some additional mounts that he put down here, some brackets for it. So that'll hold it nice and solid. He cut the fenders off, tucked them back, pinched everything around. Yes, it's got a little bit of rust to it, but you know, for a 97 Cherokee, that's really not bad. This is one of the latest attachments here. This is the rock sliders. Yes, he welded those too, fabricated that. We are not done with it. Yes, it's a little dirty. So as you can see, we still got some painter's tape there. We are still working on that. Again, the front. Let's see if we can focus on that. He cut that off. Gave us a little extra clearance and height on there. Had some banging and knocking around up front. And the solution was to take this doohickey here. It's mounted here. It was down here and mounted up here instead. And by moving the thingamajigger with the doohickey and hooking it up to the whatchamacallits, yeah, that actually worked really, really well. So she steers nice and pretty, and she doesn't make any more obnoxious noises. Good times. The front, another kit that he got, put that together, got it coated, got the winch on, got the tubing separate, got that all set. Makes for a nice profile, but I like the functionality of it. There she is. Again, rock sliders on the other side. I like the fact this tubing just really goes together. Really gives us a nice look all in one shot there. On the inside, the ceiling was deteriorating for those that got to see it. So we got some outdoor fabric, and we had to both glue and hand stitch. Every single turtle up here has been stitched into place, so it's holding steady. So together some matching covers for the visors here. And they slip on and off real easy. It's just a quick tuck in here at the end. So they slip on and off real easy. If I need to clean them, I can clean them. Gotta love that outdoor fabric. Using a small 4-foot table to give me some storage space up top. And the latest we added today is for this flag mount to store the flag up here. I don't know if you guys can see. It's just this little tabs that we sewed up. Put some cord with it. And it holds it right up there in place, nice and neat. Let's see if I can brighten that a little. Holds it up in place nice and neat. It just tucks right into this molding right there. So that's kind of where we're at with XJ. Bob has done a tremendous job getting this beast moving. And this coming weekend, we're going to take it out and we're going to go play with it. Just a little. All right, see you soon.